Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily play this game with your friends and family. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, create your account. You need to have your friends create accounts also. And once that's done, you can go over here, multiplayer. You can see different gameplays you can choose from, duel, team duels, and battle royales. And what you need to focus on is party. So you have invite your friends and play together, or simply join with a code. You would like to select the first option, right? Then over here, invite your friends, compete with your friends and family in the ultimate geography challenge, play together in your favorite games, and experience endless hours of fun. Then you can choose unlock parties. All right. This option is actually available only in the pro subscription. Then choose the appropriate subscription you would like to get. And you can go back over here. If you have a pro subscription, you can be the host and you can easily invite your friends that way. Then they can easily click over here, join another party, and then enter the code that you have on your game so they can join easily. They can click over here, join with code. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. I hope you found this video very helpful.